I got on my paddleboard and I just paddled over there and set our line in the mangrove so we can stay tight to the side.
Here's to the end of the Great Loop, 6,000 miles around the entire eastern United States.
I think I gotta change that.
Intracoastal.
Direction.
Oh yeah. No, that's all right. We'll fix it. Sails are backwards.
Captain Blake
Captain Blake's taking care of us.
She's been on here for like 20
Right?
minutes. So she owns
That's
the
fine.
place.
You know what? She's doing great.
There was this little voice like, is this a good idea? But then the other voice, which is louder, was like, let the 12-year-old drive. It seems like a good idea.
Let the 12-year-old drive. Anybody can do this.
Right? Anybody can do literally anybody.
You got this.
If a half-brain jackass like me can do this, literally anybody can do this. 6,000 miles and good friends.
Wow. Beautiful friends.
Thank you.
Beautiful sunset. This is how Roan eats when there's waves down below. He braces himself so he's not falling over. Whatever works, man. This is what a typical day of sailing looks like. It's a little chippy today, but the winds are perfect to sail. Take you down below so you can kind of get a feel of life on the boat when we're passing. The waves aren't as bad anymore, so I'm not going to make you as sick. But this is how many degrees the waves are. Moving the boat. And this is where we have our meals. Anyways, that's the emergency radio. And then coming down below, we have these that secure our pots and pans and kettles. I always brew up some fresh ginger for us in the morning. So that we can sip on it throughout the day if needs be. And then I have all of our things that fell over on that table in there just for the time being. And then when we do want to take our nap, because we both like to take a little nap, this is kind of our little space. And this is how much it rocks. Not too bad. Our fruit baskets are dangling. We put them right there so that they don't bruise. Our fridge, so we don't have a freezer. And that's how big our fridge is. It's not very big, but it fits what we need in there. And then our navigation station and our bathroom. We have the airhead and we splurged, but we absolutely love it because we only have to take care of business every 2 to 3 months, depending on how often we use it. And a lot of times we listen to podcasts, books on tapes, music. And boat. We woke up this morning and it is low tide and it is 0.8 meters. So we've been in a few 0.8 meters coming down here. So Ron's just going to lift the anchor up without me moving forward to help, and we will just drift away from this beautiful island and hope that we don't get beached. Come on, Freddie, don't dig into the mud. Save us from this shallowness. What a beautiful day for sailing the Go. These landmines are everywhere! Grr!
Sometimes you end up with that in your motor. Not good.
Hey!
And then you're just sliding.
See? Ah! Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is the moon coming out and it is so, so beautiful. But my video is not doing it justice. I changed my mind. We have some bread that we need to eat, so I'm going to saute some onions and just going to scramble some eggs and toast some toast and put it all together. A little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of sauteed onions. We only have one pan, so now I'm toasting the toast. Alright, so I don't have fancy claw breakers, so I'm going to use these to open the crab. And these work great. Look at that. I'm so excited. Okay, here's your breakfast, honey. Stone crab and scrambled eggs.
You can still taste his anger just a little bit.
He was feisty. He kept trying to bite me and I was screaming.
I mean,
I felt so bad because I didn't know if I was hurting him.
you were tearing his arms off.
I know. Thank you, Krabby Crab, for this deliciousness. We love you. Ron's checking out our boat.